Hi there, Logan here for Vacman.com. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Hoover Windtunnel 3 Max Pet Plus. So, here's the box, and let's open it up. Standard tape on the top, bright red Hoover box, and this features Hoover's Windtunnel 3 technology and a pet tool pack. The nice thing about their Windtunnel 3 technology is that it's 3 distinct suction paths, which is very nice because it allows for good pickup with large items in the front along with no backscatter. So, let's start pulling things out of the box. We have some tools and an instruction manual. We have the bin. We have the handle. And pull out this cardboard piece here. And we have the rest of the machine. This is a pretty simple unboxing, so let's assemble it and take a first look. So we've got the main unit here, and let's unbox our handle, our bin, and we will leave the accessories in there for a moment. Now, one thing to note is this handle does fold down, meaning it folds out of the way for storage. So, we need a screwdriver, so I'm going to pause the video and go find a screwdriver. Alright, I'm back. Screwdriver, you need a Phillips head, and you're just going to unscrew this. Remove the tag. Slide the handle in, put the screw back in, and make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Once it catches, should slide right in there. There we go. Last thing you need to do, go around to the front and put the bin on. There you go. And now you've completely assembled your vacuum. Let's take it for a spin, shall we? This does have a auto-retracting cord. So, let's pull it out and see what we can do. Power button's right up here on top, and then there is a release switch on the back. One thing this machine lacks is a self-adjusting height system, so I need to turn it down a little bit and try it one more time. There we go, that's a little better. So, it looks like this machine does a good job. You can really see it digging into the carpet pile. and I look forward to doing some thorough testing on this machine before doing a review. This has been Logan here for vacuum.com with the Hoover Windtunnel 3 Max Pet Plus vacuum. Thanks for watching.